BCom Honors and Economic Honors are some of the most desired courses at undergraduate level. Both courses have their own importance in the industry as they are different. Let's find out what's the difference between these two courses in this video.
BCom Honors is an amalgam of different aspects of commerce field like finance, accounting, law and economy.
While Eco Honors focus on analysis, making the perfect choices with limited resources, quantitative learning, in short, is more about applied learning.
If you are inclined towards finance and law, then this course is made for you.
If management, India's economy, future prediction over economy or banking is your preference, you should opt this course.
Candidates must have secured minimum aggregate of 50% marks in the qualifying examination. Moreover, they need to have maths as a compulsory subject in their class 12 examination.
They must have secured a minimum aggregate score of 50% or more in qualifying exams. They must also have cleared the subject of economics and maths in their 12th.
There is no major difference in the cutoff list of both the courses. Students get admission on the basis of percentage of their best 4 subjects. Also, there is some difference for different categories, like for general category, the cutoff list is quite high as compared to OBC and economically weaker section. SRCC releases its cutoff for economic honors as 98% for general category and 97% for OBC. For BCom honors, it was 97% for general category and 96% for OBC and other categories. For BCom Honors, Lady Shriram College, Shriram College of Commerce, Sri Venkateshwara College, Delhi College of Arts and Commerce, Hansraj College and Indraprasth College for Women.
St. Stephen's College, Delhi School of Economics, Shriram College of Commerce, Lady Shriram College, Hindu College, Hansraj College, Miranda House and Kirorimal College.
Under BCom, a large variety of topics are available like financial accounting, business communication, business mathematics, costing, company laws, direct tax laws, and financial management.
Microeconomics and Indian economy, macroeconomics and international trade, mathematical method of economics, comparative economics development, statistical method for economics.
BCom Honors is a job-oriented program and is ideal for students who want to gain experience in business-oriented organization. Also, from audit companies to government sector, every firm needs a commerce graduate who is good in taxation, accounting and management.
Economic Honors has gained a lot of popularity among recruiters recently. The best part of post-graduation, that is MA in Economics or an MBA in Finance. MBA enables economic candidates to get high-paying job in financial sector.
So while you weigh the pros and cons of each course, you should pay special attention towards your interest, aptitude and future goals.